Are you feeling tired all the time? Do you find it hard to get through the day without feeling exhausted, even after a full night's sleep? Fatigue can be a sign of many things, but one often overlooked cause is the presence of worms and parasites in your body. Do you have stomach problems that won't go away? Persistent stomach aches, bloating, and irregular bowel movements can be more than just a minor inconvenience. These symptoms might indicate that your digestive system is under attack by these hidden invaders. You might have unwanted guests living inside you. These microscopic parasites can enter your body through contaminated food, water, or even through your skin. Once inside, they can multiply and cause a variety of health issues. These are worms and parasites. They come in many forms, from tiny protozoa to larger worms, and they can inhabit different parts of your body, including your intestines, liver, and even your bloodstream. They are silent invaders that can make you very sick. Often, people don't realize they are infected until the symptoms become severe. These parasites can drain your nutrients, weaken your immune system, and cause chronic health problems. Don't worry, there are natural ways to fight back. Nature has provided us with powerful herbs and plants that can help eliminate these parasites from our bodies. We will learn about herbal medicine and how it can help you. Herbal remedies have been used for centuries to treat parasitic infections. These natural treatments can be just as effective as conventional medicine, without the harsh side effects. Get ready to discover the power of nature for a healthier you. Embracing natural remedies can not only help you get rid of parasites, but also improve your overall well-being. Worms and parasites are a common health concern, affecting millions worldwide. They do not discriminate and can infect anyone, regardless of age, gender, or location. These hidden invaders can wreak havoc on our bodies, leading to a range of uncomfortable and debilitating symptoms, from digestive issues to fatigue and even more serious conditions if left untreated. But there is hope. Holistic herbal medicine offers a natural and effective approach to combat these unwelcome guests and restore balance to your body. By using a combination of herbs, dietary changes, and lifestyle adjustments, you can strengthen your body's defenses and reclaim your health. For more information on holistic herbal medicine and to stay updated with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and visit our website. Together, we can unlock the power of nature for a healthier life. Worms and parasites are living organisms that thrive inside our bodies, stealing nutrients and disrupting our health. They can enter our systems through contaminated food, water, or soil, or through contact with infected individuals. These parasites come in different shapes and sizes, each with its preferred dwelling place within us. Some worms, like roundworms and tapeworms, make their home in our intestines, causing digestive distress, nutrient deficiencies, and even intestinal blockages. Others, like pinworms, can live in the colon, leading to intense itching and discomfort. No matter where they reside, these parasites can significantly impact our overall well-being. Holistic health is a way of looking at the whole person, not just the sickness. It is about understanding the connection between your body, mind, and spirit. When all these parts are in harmony, you have good health. Holistic health emphasizes natural remedies and lifestyle changes to promote healing. Instead of just treating symptoms, holistic health focuses on finding the root cause of the problem. This approach empowers you to take control of your well-being and make choices that support your overall health. By addressing the underlying imbalances, you can prevent future illness and achieve lasting wellness. Alkaline herbal medicine is a powerful approach to healing that focuses on restoring the body's natural pH balance. Our bodies thrive in a slightly alkaline environment, but modern diets, stress, and environmental toxins can create an acidic terrain. This acidity weakens our immune system and makes us more susceptible to infections, including parasitic infestations. Alkaline herbs help to neutralize excess acidity, creating an environment that is inhospitable to parasites. These herbs are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support the body's natural defenses and promote overall well-being. By incorporating alkaline herbs into your diet, you can create a hostile environment for parasites and support your body's natural healing abilities. Section 5. Nature's Arsenal, Herbal Remedies for Worm Infestations. Nature provides a wealth of powerful herbs that have been used for centuries to combat worm infestations. These natural remedies are not only effective but also gentle on the body, making them a preferred choice for many seeking holistic health solutions. These herbs work in various ways, some paralyzing the parasites, others flushing them out of the system, and some creating an environment where they cannot survive. By understanding the unique properties of each herb, we can harness their full potential to maintain a healthy, parasite-free body. Here are a few examples of these potent herbal allies. Each of these herbs has a unique mechanism of action, making them versatile tools in the fight against parasitic infections. Wormwood. This herb has potent anti-parasitic properties, effectively paralyzing and killing various worms, including roundworms and pinworms. Wormwood has been used traditionally in many cultures and is often a key ingredient in herbal anti-parasitic formulas. Cloves. Rich in eugenol, cloves have antiseptic and anti-parasitic properties, helping to eliminate intestinal parasites and their eggs. Cloves are not only effective but also add a pleasant aroma and flavor to herbal remedies, making them a popular choice. Black walnut. This herb contains juglone, a compound that is toxic to many parasites, making it an effective remedy for various worm infestations. Black walnut is often used in combination with other herbs to enhance its efficacy and provide a comprehensive approach to parasite cleansing. In addition to these herbs, there are many other natural remedies that can support the body in eliminating parasites. Herbal tinctures, teas, and capsules are common ways to incorporate these powerful plants into your daily routine. Drinking herbal teas made from these anti-parasitic herbs can be a soothing and effective way to cleanse the body. Regular consumption can help maintain a healthy digestive system and prevent future infestations. Consulting with a knowledgeable herbalist can provide personalized recommendations and ensure that you are using the right herbs in the correct dosages. This personalized approach can maximize the benefits and minimize any potential side effects. Embracing nature's arsenal of herbal remedies offers a holistic and effective way to combat worm infestations. By integrating these natural solutions into your health regimen, you can support your body's natural defenses and promote overall well-being. Remember, nature has provided us with a bounty of resources to maintain our health. Harnessing the power of these herbs can lead to a healthier, parasite-free life. Section 6. The Apothecary, a treasure trove of healing herbs. An apothecary is like a magical shop filled with healing plants and herbs. These places are often brimming with the scents and colors of nature's bounty, offering a sensory experience that is both calming and invigorating. Each jar and bottle holds a story, a piece of ancient wisdom waiting to be discovered. It's a place where you can find remedies for various ailments, including those pesky worm infestations. From common colds to more chronic conditions, apothecaries have a remedy for almost everything. The shelves are lined with jars labeled for different diseases, each containing a unique blend of herbs designed to heal and soothe. Apothecaries have been around for centuries, and the knowledge of herbal medicine has been passed down through generations. These establishments are steeped in history, often adorned with ancient books and old-fashioned jars that tell tales of a time when herbal medicine was the primary form of healthcare. The wisdom contained within these walls is invaluable, a testament to the enduring power of nature. Today, many apothecaries offer a wide range of herbal remedies in various forms such as tinctures, capsules, and teas. Modern apothecaries have evolved to meet contemporary needs, providing convenient and accessible forms of herbal medicine. Whether you're looking for a soothing tea blend or a potent tincture, there's something for everyone. They also provide valuable information and guidance on using herbs safely and effectively. Knowledgeable herbalists are often on hand to offer consultations, helping you navigate the world of herbal medicine with confidence. They can recommend the best remedies for your specific needs and ensure that you use them correctly. Visiting an apothecary can be a truly enriching experience, connecting you with the power of nature and the wisdom of traditional healing practices. It's a journey into a world where science and tradition meet, offering a holistic approach to health and wellness. Whether you're a seasoned herbal enthusiast or a curious newcomer, an apothecary visit can open your eyes to the incredible healing potential of plants. Section 7. Herbology at home, empowering your wellness journey. You don't have to be an expert to enjoy the benefits of herbal medicine. Herbology, the study of plants for medicinal purposes, is a fascinating and empowering field that you can explore from the comfort of your own home. Start by learning about common herbs and their uses. Many online resources and books offer a wealth of information on herbology. You can learn to identify different herbs, understand their properties, and even grow your own medicinal garden. Experiment with simple herbal preparations like teas, infusions, and salves. Embrace the journey of self-discovery and empower yourself with the knowledge of nature's healing power. Section 8. A note of caution, herbs and professional guidance. While herbs are natural, it's essential to remember that they are potent substances that should be treated with respect. Before incorporating any new herb into your routine, consult with a qualified healthcare professional, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, or taking any medications. A healthcare professional can help you determine the appropriate dosage, potential interactions, and any contraindications based on your individual health status. They can also guide you on the safe and effective use of herbal remedies to address your specific health concerns. Section 9. Embrace the holistic path, a call to action. Take charge of your health and well-being by exploring the world of holistic herbal medicine. Incorporate alkaline-rich foods into your diet, connect with nature, and learn about the powerful healing properties of plants. Embrace a holistic approach to your health, addressing not just the symptoms but also the root causes of imbalance. Remember, true health is not merely the absence of disease, but a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. Embrace the journey of self-discovery and empower yourself with the knowledge and tools to achieve optimal health and vitality. Section 10. Unleash the power within. Your journey to optimal health begins now. You have the power to transform your health and well-being. Embrace the wisdom of nature, explore the world of holistic herbal medicine, and unlock your body's innate healing potential. Remember, your health is a journey, not a destination. Take it one step at a time and celebrate each milestone along the way. Challenge yourself to incorporate one new herbal remedy or healthy habit into your routine each week. Observe the positive changes in your body, mind, and spirit. Embrace the power of nature and embark on your journey to optimal health today. Visit our website for more information and subscribe for updates to continue your journey to optimal health.